Kusweleke umqhubi welori kwingozi ebandakanya ilori kunye neteksi kuwola wendlela uN12 West emva nje kwendlela iKhumaro Road kufutshane nendawo yaseBasonia ngentsini namhlanje. Isebe lamapolisa omasipala waseGoli iJMPD lithi umqhubi welori uphulukene nolawulo lwesithuthi ebesihambisa umthwalo nothe wachitheka ngethuba lengozi. Isithethe seJMPD uNtsumpa Xolanifihla uthi umqhubi welori ubhengezwe njengobhubhileyo kwindawo yesiganeko ngelixa kungekho monzakalo uxeliweyo phakathi kwabakhweli beteksi ebandakanyekayo.
Kuhlwe emini laye lamshonela umshayeli weloli ngemuva kokuthi umthwalo ebeliuthwele uphakame wayikhweza ngaphezulu kwekhanda laleli loli nokuholele ekutheni ehluleke nokuzihlenga waphelela khona lapho. Lo okhulumela iJMPD uNtsumpa Xolanifihla uqinisekiseke lesi sigameko waveza nokuthi umshayeli wetekisi ebibandakanyeka kule ngozi yena uphume engenamiyocu.
Two vehicles involved, it's a heavy truck and a minibus taxi, and regrettably the truck driver has sustained fatal injuries and was declared deceased on the scene. The driver of the minibus taxi escaped with no injuries and no other injuries have been reported. Preliminary assessments suggested that during the collision, the heavy load carried by the truck shifted forward and fell directly onto the truck's cabin, resulting in the fatal injuries. Emergency services and specialized recovery teams are actively working to clear the heavy load from the roadway and recover the truck cabin. Motorists traveling westbound are urged to divert well ahead of the Khumaro Road off-ramp, consider utilizing alternative routes such as the R59, South Rand Road, Verona Street and Rifle Range Road, and further updates will be provided as the recovery progresses.
Ufihla bese exwayisa abashayeli ukuthi ke beshayele ngokucophelela beqikelele negebe elifanele ukuba phakathi kweimoto mazihambe emgwaqeni ukuze ke kugwemeke ukuthi bezithole bese engozini efana nalena. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni.